Our agents are not just numbers to us, they are clearly family. We pride ourselves on the fact that our agents recommend other agents to join us. We are, frankly, an invitation-only company. We're not looking for every agent. Not every agent fits this brand. Not every agent is right for this brand. We're looking for that team player that's very interested in the collaboration, but that wants to do great business and be part of an amazing team. We're really looking for people who are connected to the community and are good about wanting to do good business and help people and serve the public. So you won't find us on some of those areas where other people look for real estate agents. Most of the time our agents join us because someone has tapped me on the shoulder and said, you really should talk to this gal. I just did a transaction with her and I think she'd be great for our team. And that gives me pride in knowing that our agents are encouraging other people to join us.